Are you ready to launch your very own WordPress website and make it live for the world to see? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through the entire process, from installing WordPress all the way to finally opening the virtual doors of your website to visitors everywhere. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a fully functioning website, but you'll also understand what each part of the setup does and how to get it right. Let's dive in. To get started, we first need to install WordPress itself. Now, I know the word install might sound intimidating if you're new to building websites, but I promise it's easier than you think. Most hosting providers like Bluehost, SiteGround, or GoDaddy offer a super convenient one-click WordPress installation, right from their control panels such as cPanel or Plesk. Imagine it like setting up a new app on your phone, just a couple of clicks, and WordPress starts unpacking itself on your hosting account. If you're staring at your dashboard wondering what to click, look for options like Install WordPress, Softaculous Apps Installer, or something similar. These automated tools do all the heavy lifting in the background, so you don't have to worry about database settings or uploading files manually. Once the process is complete, you'll have WordPress ready to go at your domain, usually at www.yourwebsite.com. Once WordPress is installed, it's time for the fun part: building and designing your website. You'll log into your WordPress dashboard, which is like the control room for everything you'll do. This is where your creative choices come to life. First, pick a theme. Themes are pre-made design templates. Choosing the right one is like setting the mood for your website, whether you want it professional, playful, minimal, or bold. If you change your mind later, you can always switch themes and tweak things as your brand evolves. Next, you'll want to install plugins. Think of plugins as apps for your website. They add functions like contact forms, image galleries, security measures, and much more. Be selective. Too many plugins can slow things down, but the right ones add fantastic features in just a few clicks. With your theme and plugins ready, it's time to actually create your pages and add your content. This could be your about page, product listings, blog articles, photos, whatever you want to share with your visitors. Take your time here because clear, engaging content makes all the difference. Now let's move to the exciting part: making your site live. The process of going live simply means making your website publicly accessible, so anyone can type in your domain and visit. If you built your site directly on your final domain name, which most people do, the steps are pretty straightforward. First, it's crucial to review everything. This means clicking through each page, checking your links, buttons, images, and interactive features to catch any mistakes or glitches before you open your site. I always recommend testing on both desktop and mobile devices, too, just to make sure every visitor gets a great experience. Once you're happy with how things look, check if you used a coming soon or maintenance mode plugin while you were building your site. These tools are super helpful for keeping your real site hidden while you work. But now it's time to switch them off, otherwise your visitors will still see the placeholder screen. Just head into your plugins list, find the maintenance tool, and disable it. With that out of the way, congratulations, your website is now officially live. Anyone can visit, browse, and interact with your creation. Remember, making a website live isn't just about flipping a switch, it's about reviewing your work, feeling confident in what you've created, and starting your online presence on the right foot. It's totally normal if things take a little fine-tuning along the way. So don't stress if you need to go back and make adjustments. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And please do drop a comment if you have any questions or want to share your website journey. I love hearing from you all. Subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck launching your website.